So it was with a great deal of excitement and a little trepidation that we set off onto our first big road trip into Europe. Our ultimate destination was the California meet at Rømø in Denmark, but in the meantime we would have a great deal of fantastic European countries to visit, the first of which was Belgium. We're off for a walk into Bruges, aren't we?
Bruges.
Whilst in Belgium, we stopped off at Alsemberg to visit our friend Patrick, also from the California Club. Patrick was a very good host, and we'd like to thank him and his family for showing us so much kindness and such a warm welcome. Also, while we were there, he showed us a rather fantastic recipe that you can cook on a Ridgemonkey, and I thought it would be wrong not to share it with you now.
Hello Patrick.
Hey,
So I understand you want to show us a little recipe.
yes, thank you for letting me use your nice pot here so that I don't have to dirty my own kitchen in my own van. Now, in fact, what we're making now here is something that you really could make in a closed van with closed windows, because you will never ever dirty your kitchen nor the ceiling or make it greasy or so. So it's very simple plate, a very simple menu, very simple dish made on the Ridgemonkey that I brought with me. The advantage is you can just simply do it up front. You can make it at home or prepare it at home, or you can make it during the day and just cook it in the evening without any fuss. So we start with these simple ingredients. You can, for this occasion I used mussels, but you can also use fish or something which is easily steamed, because we're going to steam. Some asparagus, wild asparagus or green asparagus, some mussels. Be careful that you rinse them properly, that they all closed after tapping them, so there's no mussel open anymore. So that's done. Some vegetables, onion, celery, sorry. And then I forgot the name. Tell me again. Samphire. So this is
And what do you call that in Belgium?
zeekraal.
Zeekraal.
Sea. It's like a jewels of the sea, something like that. Well, and for the dessert, some pears with chocolate, and so that's more or less it. And then what we need is a good aluminium foil. We need a quite long one, because we're going to fold it in double. So this is just wide enough for one part of the Ridgemonkey, and it's long enough to put a double portion of mussels. You will see how we will do this. Just simply put a handful per person. That's it. So we add some onions, parsley, I forgot it again,
Samphire.
celery,
Oh.
and samphire that I have here. And I put some leaves here, and then mussel herbs, which is a mixture of different green herbs. And then the most important for us here is the Geuze. It's a local beer based on wild yeast that we have here in the surroundings. So first we have to make a very simple but very closed package. So you have to fold it very carefully that there's no opening left on both sides. Perhaps it's handier if I have a table, fold it, and again, so that it's really tight, because afterwards we will put some liquid in it to be able to steam. You just have to be careful that you don't really stuff the whole thing, because it still has to take some space for the steam. So now we have a nice bucket, so which we will fill with some beer, more or less like this. It's made, my beer is in, I add some amaretto, and then fold it again. So here you go, a naked Ridgemonkey without any butter or oil. Just put it on the pan, put it on the stove, sorry, and then you just fill it up with this little pocket. So this one already fits, that's good. This one with the mussels as well. Then the little dessert. Just make sure that they touch the pan, and that's important. Let's see. Okay, and then this chocolate sauce in the middle. And now let's have a cocktail. Here you are. Perfectly steamed, without any grease. Here you are. Here you are. Main course.
Well,
Christ, we have to eat this the whole day.
Really want to taste some of this. So it's amazing.
Yeah,
That's good. Yeah. Look at this mussel. Wow.
Good.
That's beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely stunning.
I'll show you how we do it here.
Oh, show me, yeah.
So you take one mussel like this, an empty one, and then this is your.
Oh, okay.
This is your,
Right. Oh, so I need to have an empty mussel then.
Yep.
Can I eat this one first?
Yeah, of
Look,
course.
with my fingers. Oh, that is so nice.
Okay, so time for dessert. The next little surprise packages. And then the final touch. This is already always a bit messy, but your chocolate sauce that we squeeze just out like this, very simple. Turn it over. It's a bit messy, yeah, but it's the result that counts.
Poached pears in chocolate sauce, a la Ridgemonkey, a la Patrick. That is amazing.
Sinners,
Oh, wow.
sinners we are, huh?
So how are you enjoying your European trip so far?
Yeah, it's awesome. Yes, Belgium has been a huge surprise, I think. I don't think either of us were expecting it to be so interesting. I don't know.
The people are lovely.
Yeah, the people are so welcoming. We've just spent a day yesterday and an evening with Patrick and his wife, who invited us to visit, and he showed us around and told us about his area and let us stay in his beautiful home. So yeah, fantastic experience. And also he showed us some tricks. So how to cook mussels in your van with no mess, which was
That was
brilliant.
amazing. That was amazing.
Yeah, it was really eye-opening. It's given me lots of ideas.
I can't wait to see that video.
No, I just hope I
so cool.
filmed it properly. Hope I filmed it properly. But yes.
Okay, so where are we heading now?
I have no idea where we're heading now. We're heading towards Liège.
And then I think
and
we're
then up towards Denmark.
yeah.
Onward to Rømø in Denmark.